Here are 5 AI tools that can help you make up to $200 a day, even if you're a complete beginner. These are simple, fast, and you can start using them right after watching this video. If you want to work smarter with AI, subscribe to AI Launchpad for more tools and side hustles. Now let's start with tool number 1, Durable AI. This is a website builder that creates a full business website in under 30 seconds. Seriously, you give it a keyword, and it generates the design, the copy, the images, everything. Here's why this makes money. People are paying $50, $100, even $300 for a basic website on Fiverr and Upwork. But Durable lets you create sites instantly without any design or coding skills. You can start offering websites to small businesses, restaurants, barbers, freelancers, and deliver them the same day. It's the easiest way to start a beginner-friendly service. Alright, next tool is even crazier. Tool number 2, Pictory AI, Video Automation. Pictory. This AI turns scripts into full videos automatically. You paste your script, pick a style, and it generates clips, captions, and transitions. This is perfect for content creation. YouTube videos, TikToks, ads, product videos, whatever you want. How does this make money? Simple. Sell short-form video editing. Businesses need content every day, but they don't want to edit. You can charge $20 to $50 per video, and Pictory does most of the work for you. Plus, you can use it to build your own faceless YouTube channels. Automation on automation. Tool number 3, Opus Clip, Viral Clip Maker. Opus Clip, the viral clip machine. You upload a long video, and it automatically finds the best moments, cuts them, adds captions, formats them for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels, and gives you 10 to 30 pieces of content instantly. Creators love this, and many don't know how to do it themselves. You can charge $200 per month to manage someone's shorts, $5 to $15 per clip, or sell bundles like 20 clips for $80. Opus Clip does 90% of the work, you just refine it. Let's move to number 4, one of the fastest growing AI tools right now. Tool number 4, Leonardo AI, Image Generator. Leonardo AI, a super clean, fast AI image generator. It creates realistic product photos, logos, posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, all in a few seconds. Businesses pay a lot for digital graphics. You can sell logo design, thumbnails, product mockups, ad creatives, ebook covers, social media posts. And unlike traditional design, AI handles the heavy lifting. You just refine prompts and deliver final images. This is one of the easiest $50 to $200 per day side hustles right now. Now let's finish with the most underrated tool on the list. Tool number 5, Tidio or Botsonic, AI chatbots. AI chatbots like Tidio or Botsonic. These tools let you create customer service bots that answer questions, recommend products, and even close sales for businesses automatically. And here's the opportunity. Small businesses want chatbots, but don't know how to set them up. You can charge $50 to $150 for setup, plus $30 to $50 a month for maintenance. This is recurring income. You do the job once, and you keep getting paid every month. Set up just 4 clients and you could hit $200 per day easily. If you want more AI tools, automation tricks, and beginner-friendly ways to make money, make sure you subscribe to AI Launchpad. I'll see you in the next video.